say, hello, it's me, and then me.
Hello, it's me. What's my name again? My name is Telemachus.
And also, hi, I'm Callie. And I'm Calix.
I'm Telemachus.
Nagkakasaturni sa Turnita.
Bro, why you can't move? Move. Ah! Ah!
I was joining, bro. And that was my machine.
I'm gonna tweak out.
My machine say hi to the camera. I found some coal. And there's some beef in my inventory.
I told you not to kill the
I
cow.
said, oof. Say, oof. I didn't oof the cow.
Yes, you did.
Oh, hello, Peppa Pig. You care about the cows but not the pigs?
I care about the cows and the sheep. Where'd the pig go? they disappeared.
What is a carrot's favorite carrot? What is the carrot's favorite sport?
Karate.
Correct. Why are there so many cats in the church? 'Cause they're Catholic.
Ha ha ha.
I lost you. What is a pig's favorite karate move?
What?
A pork chop. Honestly, we need wood.
I'm gonna get wood.
Yo, we both go for the same tree because it's the most different from the rest.
This is my tree.
This is my tree.
This is my tree. I got here first. I got here first.
Oh, let me.
Get out. Get out. True.
I'm gonna start a civilization by myself.
Good boy. I'm gonna make a wolf civilization by myself.
I'm
I'm gonna name it the Lichen Pack.
I'm gonna build so many iron golems and it will attack your wolves.
And my wolves will attack your iron golems.
I will make wolves too.
Then I'll make iron golems too.
I'm gonna make a boat. I'm gonna be the One Piece. A Two-Piece brother wolf.
No, he didn't. He's alive. He's just...
Bro's just a donut.
No, he's not a donut. He's just a little bit circular.
Bro,
He's just got a bit of a hole in his stomach. Yeah.
Bro got
Wait,
burned.
no. We can just stitch him up. Promise. We can just stitch him up.
I'm lagging, bro.
You're always lagging.
Bro, I can't even. There's not even any sound when it. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Bro, I'm sorry. We don't have to make a civilization by ourselves. Bro, I'm so sorry. Bro, let me borrow your crafting table. Bro.
Okay, fine. I let you
Hey, bro, man. Okay.
Okay, here. Go keep it. I have enough wood.
Bro, come back. Come back.
Ah.
I'm coming with you.
Okay.
Just wait for me.
Did you know that there is Mrs. Chicken in the Peppa Pig series?
No.
But they eat eggs. Peppa Pig
Is it like their own or
what?
is it like their own eggs or
Peppa Pig eats the eggs.
so do they get it from the chickens?
Yeah. And that's how you solve the mystery.
Yay! Oh no, no, you can't go up to the well, bro.
Why?
Actually, I'm not killing the pigs anymore. I'm just going after the chickens.
Okay. Yeah. Luckily, I had enough wood. I accidentally made a shovel.
What did I say my name was?
I don't know. Your new name is Labaka Saturnita.
That's a nice name.
Eh,
I can't even pronounce it.
Just say.
Saturnita. Hey, is that a camel? What is that? What is
Oof,
this?
oof, oof,
It's a
silver.
llama.
Oof, oof, silver.
I told you not to go to the well, bro.
Uh-oh. I don't know.
Where are you?
The well. Heal.
How many
there.
silverfish are here?
45. I'm gonna go to
You're after me now. They're rats. They're rats.
I'm gonna attack them with my meat. My pork chop. Bro must have been the leader or something. Bro took a lot of help.
Bro, stop mining.
But I need it. I can't
I
resist.
threw one into the well.
Bro probably saying, help me. Uh-oh.
I threw two into
Do
the
not
well.
go in
The well.
Do we have teleport?
Yes.
Good.
Are you in the well?
What?
Are you in the well?
No. I'm on top of the well.
Wait. Watch out, bro. Bro.
Bro, what?
There was a rat.
I'ma just break one block behind me. Are
Hey,
they
little
dead?
bros. Hey, little guys.
Are they
How you
off?
doing?
Ah! Help, please, help. Teleport me.
Wait.
I'm dying. I'm oofing. Yeah. Okay. Great. Wait this time.
Bro,
What?
I teleported you to me.
I needed creative reason.
No, you can't. I
I
told you no cheating, no.
just needed
Hey, little guys.
I'm gonna go get some pumpkins. Pumpkin! We're getting some pumpkins. I'm mining the pumpkins with my flour.
Plus, you could have gotten out of the well, bro. There's literally a ladder.
There's a ladder?
Yep.
No, I never see that. My pumpkin! I'm half health, bro. I'm 1 heart and a half.
Hey, little buddy.
I only have 2 hearts.
Hey,
bro.
little
I'm
buddy.
gonna leave you behind. If you keep attacking me.
I'm not gonna attack you.
You attack me.
It was by accident.
I'm Monkey D. Luffy without a team.
I can be your team.
What is that?
I got seeds. Lots
Okay.
and lots of seeds.
Okay, you're in the team. But you don't attack me.
Okay, fine. I'm
Did
gonna
you know
attack you.
the circle in the kawaii world is actually a pentagon?
It's a pentagon. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay,
It's a
I remember.
Polygon.
What's a monicon?
A monogon is a one-sided polygon. Like a circle. Hey, come here.
Since when was dirt so easy to break?
Always.
With a sword?
Sword?
It's fast.
Nah, I never knew that. Okay, you will be...
Like, look, bro, look.
Okay,
So
you will be the swordsman. I'll be the builder and the driver.
Can I be the navigator?
Sure.
I don't know how to navigate. Haha.
Just don't.
Can I be the chef?
Sure, if you can cook.
I can cook. You know how to be a shipwright?
Yeah. Do you know how to cook on a torch?
No. I know how to cook on a fire.
Okay.
So close enough.
Yep.
Is
We
there
need
food?
bed. We need beds.
We need food.
I have food.
Not the sheep.
I give you food.
You know what's gonna happen?
Here, take my food.
You know what's gonna happen
Take my food.
if you kill a sheep?
What?
There's gonna be a giant cyclops who's gonna get you.
Run. Protect me. Protect.
Bro, I told you, there's gonna be a cyclops.
That's not a cyclops, bro.
That's a cyclops. No, remove the one eye.
Another one. No, my friend.
I'm 2 hearts.
Wait, towards. Protect with the... Wait. Stick attack.
No creative.
Okay, I just use a stick. Ouch. Ooh.
Oh
Stop
shoot, I'm
shooting
dead.
me.
I'm dead.
Wait. Just teleport. Ah! Skibidi dop. Yes.
Oh god.
Oof. A witch. She's a
Why
witch.
is there a witch?
Burn the
There's
witch.
the witch! Burn the witch!
Burn the witch.
I can't attack the witch.
I can't attack it either. I'm frozen in time. Oh no. Okay. Okay, I'm dead.
Get away from me, witch.
I'm gone.
I killed the witch. We're free from the witch.
I need to heal this. I'm on half.
How were you shot by a skeleton?
I'm there. I'm off.
You were.
I'm alive.
Earlier. Late lang.
I'm alive, bro. Bro, help me. Tama yun.
Bro, I see your name.
I oof. Wait. How was I still alive for like...
My sword's gone. How can I be a swordsman? There are literally three skeletons and two zombies running after me.
Is there a chicken jockey? Okay, that is not Sugar King floating in
Oh
the
shoot,
water.
I'm dead.
There's a baby zombie.
Yeah, there's a baby zombie chasing after me.
Yo, no, you're not gonna be the next chicken jockey in the Minecraft movie. Creeper. Oh man.
Okay,
Okay,
we're gonna take a break. See you guys in the morning, bro. Bro, there's a giant after me. Bro. Hey guys, it's morning and we didn't get sleep. We're still in the same place.
Okay.
Ah, what a nice day.
Oh, I see you. It's super near spawn.
Yeah, we're near spawn. We are in spawn.
I thought you were super far away or something.
I told you. I was teleporting to you, but you didn't.
I told you you can. Cause, yo, how?
Yo.
What? Yo! Did bro just try and sneak attack me? I'm chilling with my friend Bob.
Bro, I found the palace.
What?
Look.
Wow.
I get to keep what's inside. The good things is mine. Bro, I found it.
What? Okay, I'll trade you the emeralds.
I don't want the emeralds.
Oh, bro.
Get your bed.
I'ma have a blue head.
I think that's purple.
Yeah, this is blue.
It's purple.
I don't need a slab.
Hey, look, it's a jungle.
Hey, wait for me. Maybe we could find something there.
Hey,
What?
sheep. Hey, sheep.
Sheepy. I
don't care who your friend is. I'm gonna kill you.
Hey, that's animal abuse. Okay, let's go to the jungle.
You said you wanted food.
Let's go to the jungle.
Oh, you have a boat. Bro, get in the water.
Huh?
Get in the water.
Remember the time when we keep glitching?
Which one?
Like, what's it called? Like the boat keeps disappearing. Yo, bamboo forest. I found the bamboo forest. Hello, Bibi Usulot. Come here, Bibi. Come here, Bibi. Ooh, you make me mad. Haha. I'm gonna trap you in my boat.
Bro, bye. I lost you. Haha.
Bro, I'm literally so close. I'm just at the bamboo forest.
I don't see you anymore. Oh, he parrot. You want
Did
seeds?
you see parrot?
No, this is my parrot. His name is um
His name.
his name is Poseidon.
Full name. For a rat.
It's not a rat. I lost seeds. I need more seeds. Poseidon, you stay there.
Too bad. You didn't give me anything. You only gave me the emeralds.
I thought you wanted the emeralds.
Yeah, you only gave me the emeralds.
You can have. You want something else? I got a lantern, a
Okay,
glowstone.
never mind, never mind.
I got a glowstone, sugarcane, kelp, ice block.
Okay, ice block.
3 for 1 emerald.
Wait. I
Hey.
need to remove some stuff.
I don't want that.
Here. Oh no, it's a creeper. What's the sound?
Where's the emerald, bro? You didn't give me anything.
I gave you it.
You didn't. Look.
I did. Here, I dropped it. Right there. You have it?
Yeah. Oh shoot. My coco beans. Wait, is my parrot on my shoulder yet?
Yep.
His name is Poseidon.
Yeah,
A
'cause it's
chicken.
blue.
This chicken is following us now.
It's okay. It's a seed. Hey,
Huh? You hear that?
chicken jockey.
Hindi.
There's a chicken jockey somewhere.
Stop.
I will find my own. And if he's red,
What is
I'll
that,
call
bro?
him
I keep
Atlantis.
hearing mobs.
And if he's blue, I'ma call him Neptune or Atlantis. And if it's yellow, I'ma call him Ra.
Ra? Why Ra?
Because it's the thingy, the sun thingy. The god of the sun in Egyptian.
Oh.
Ra, ra, Roma, Roma, ra.
Bro.
What?
Bro, my parrot, where'd it go? Poseidon, what are you doing? Get back here, bro. We're getting in the water.
Where's my chicken?
Getting in the water.
I don't even have a poodle.
Why doesn't he get... Oh, shoot.
What?
Poseidon.
He doesn't like water. Hey, yo, what are you doing? They were doing something saucy right there. The two pandas.
Poseidon.
Yeah, that's what you
Poseidon,
get. That's
get
what
on
you get.
land.
That's what you get.
Get on land. Get on land.
Okay,
Sorry
now
for
I know
jamming you there,
pandas
bro.
aren't friendly. Pandas ain't friendly, bro.
Bro, I see a cheetah.
Chia?
Cheetah.
Yes, it. Okay.
Hey, little bro. There's a guy. Come here, bro. Bro, come here. I see a swamp.
Swamp,
Shrek.
I'm coming.
Bro, we're running into every biome.
We're gonna get an achievement soon or something.
We didn't put on achievements.
Oh.
Wait, give me. Wait, I'm gonna pause the video.
Oh, wait, maybe we could find the mushroom house that we saw in the Minecraft movie. Bro,
Ah,
I think a World leaked Minecraft, the Minecraft movie.
I can't get out. Poseidon. Poseidon, where's Poseidon? Oh my gosh.
And it's so treacherous.
Little bro, what are you doing there?
Yo, we got the blue flower.
Hey bro, I need help. I need a little help here.
What?
I can't teleport or Poseidon will be gone. With
Oh.
Con's father. I'ma just walk over there. Give me a second, little bro.
Okay.
Poseidon.
I think I have an infinite glitch.
Poseidon! He's gone again. Come here, bro.
Was he beaten? I will wear a mask for the rest of my life.
Poseidon. He's gonna get himself killed at some point, bro.
No. What if I just come there and kick him?
Don't kick him. He's gonna get in the water then.
I'm coming. I'm wearing a spooky mask.
I swear. Poseidon is obsessed with falling.
Here.
Poseidon.
It's on you. Let's try and find some things.
No, he's not. Oh shoot.
Witch
Poseidon.
hunt! Witch hunt!
Wait.
I'm
Poseidon,
going there
come back.
before you. I wanna see where the witch is. I wanna be where the witch is.
I see some Poseidon's twin, bro.
Bro wants to spin. Bro is the helicopter.
Hey, look. It's this flower, the blue orchid thing.
Okay, report. There is a witch.
There's a witch.
Report. I have a lot of dirt, so we can block the witch.
Where are you?
Oh, azalea! Azalea tree. Come here, come here.
I don't
Come
know
here.
where you are.
Just teleport.
Poseidon's on my shoulder. I see the witch's hand. Never mind.
I'm gonna do. Oh, there's the black cat.
black cat?
Look at me.
Poseidon, I swear. Where are you?
Oh, build up. Oh, chill. Haha, you can't reach me. Bro, how do I need food? Heal.
What kind of witch is it?
It's the normal witch. See?
Does she have milk?
What?
Poseidon.
I'm gonna oof.
I see you.
I see you too, but I'm about to oof. Can you help?
No. Wait.
Bro,
How am I supposed to help though?
just oof the witch.
I'm gonna do this off camera. You okay?
No.
Guys, update. The witch is not dead and my parrot is here.
Hey, I have an update for you people. I'm on half health and I died. What
Bro.
if I teleport you to me?
Bro, you know what?
What?
I'm placing the glowstone.
No. Place it down.
Yeah, place it down.
You can see it. I'm holding it.
I'm not.
I see it.
Well, I'm not. You left the game.
I left the game. Oh man! What happened to this? Just sleep through the night. Let's call me patapin.
Good morning, everyone. And this is my parrot and Calyx joining us. Say hello, Poseidon. Yeah. And say hello, Calyx.
Hello.
And Kawi's here too. You don't see him, but he's here.
Hey, what's that over there? Come here.
With parrot, you stay there. Poseidon, you stay there.
Wait, look. I did not place that here.
This place is cursed.
Yo. Will soon turn into thingy.
This is my house now.
This is our house. This is where we live.
Well, until we kill the witch.
Can we live here? Please?
I thought we were gonna live in the mushroom thing.
No, I wanna live here. Please, pretty place.
Sure.
Find the mushroom house. Right after I get all my dirt back. I don't even think it naturally spawns.
She keeps killing me now. She's in the river.
I was about to teleport to you and then I saw your screen. I was about to teleport you actually. Yo, we got so much dirt. We could build a dirt fort. You oof the witch?
Not yet. Almost.
I'm coming.
I'm on half a heart again.
I'm coming, bro.
We're gonna just fast forward to when we kill the witch.